Hi guys, this is Naresh. Welcome back to my channel Technical Talks with Naresh. So today I'm going to prepare a video on HCM data load series. Okay, so previously I had already uploaded part 1, part 2 and part 3. So today we are going with the part 4. Okay, in this part 4 we are going to see HCM data loader using the spreadsheet. So if you had not gone through the previous HCM data load series, you can go to my Fusion playlist and you can watch them to get a better understanding of this video. To seeing this concept practically, I have to go to my Fusion instance home screen. So before starting, just I have to say that if you are new on my channel and if you are trying to learn an Oracle Fusion, please go through my Oracle Fusion playlist from my channel, which will help you to learn lot of concept of an Oracle Fusion. If you still have any doubts, any confusion, you can write me on my email, which is mentioned in the about section of my channel as well as the description of this video, or you can just write into the comment section of my videos. Please like, share, subscribe my channel to get the latest update on the Fusion videos. So continue to the topic. So here we are going to see the HCM data loader using the spreadsheet. So for going to the HCM data loader screen, what we have to do, just go on the home page of an Oracle Fusion. Then there is one option that is nothing but the My Client Groups. So from My Client Groups, you have to click on this Data Exchange. So once you click on Data Exchange, you will come on this page. Okay, so here is an HCM data loader. Okay, so all these 4 concepts we had already seen in our last videos of this HCM data load series, and today we are going to start with the HCM spreadsheet data loader. So I will just have to create the same spreadsheet. So you can see that spreadsheets over here. So if I clicked over here, so you will get all the list of spreadsheet which we had uploaded. So these are the different spreadsheet we had already uploaded or someone had uploaded. But before that, we have to just download the spreadsheet for this one. So how we can do that? So suppose I have to upload the data or I have to import the data by using this HCM spreadsheet for the departments. Okay, so what I have to do, I have to just go to first home screen. So I am on the home page of my Oracle Fusion instance. So just click here, and here is an again setup and maintenance. Then here is a task icon, just click on this task icon. Then here is a search, click on this search. Then here in the search box you have to write the manage departments. Okay, and the search. So you will get this manage department. So just click on this manage departments. Now we have to create the department. So one way is that we can just create the department by using this front end, as we are having here the option of an create. So click on the create and go by the front end. But I don't want to do it from front end. I just have to do it by spreadsheet. So here is a manage in spreadsheet. So just click on this manage in spreadsheet. So as soon as you clicked on this manage in spreadsheet, you can see that this file will get download on your local machine. So I'm just opening this file. So just double click on that respective file. So what it will do, it will just open like this in front of you. Now you just have to enable this editing. So just click on here, enable editing. So as soon as you click on enable editing, this type of an pop-up will come in front of you. So what is this pop-up? So for getting this pop-up, you need to enable the ADFDI plugin. Okay, so I already told you that in my previous video, that how to enable the ADFDI plugin. So you can go through that video if you had not installed or if you had not enabled the ADFDI plugin already. So just enable it, then this pop-up will come in front of you. I will also give the link for that video into the description section. So now just click on here, yes. So it will redirect you on one login page. Okay, so what is this login page? Here you have to log in with the same credential whatever you had login on the Fusion front end. Okay, so I'm doing the login. So I just inserted my username and password and I'm just clicking on sign in. So as soon as I clicked on signing, the processing will start and the data will get loaded over here. So you can see on my screen the data is loaded over here. Okay, so what we have to do now, you have to go here the spreadsheet loader, this tab, and here you have to just click on the create data set. So it will start processing again. So you will get one message, that is create a new data set will cause a unsaved changes to be lost. Do you want to continue? So just click on OK. So it will just progress some more thing and it will give you the data set created successfully. Just click on OK button. So once you click on OK, just come here and you have to fill all the respective mandatory fields. So suppose here we have to give the effective start date. So for giving effective start date, you have to just give some date over here. So just click here one time, it will pop up on calendar. Then you can give the some date. So I'm just giving the date as, here I'm just selecting the year, then here is the 2023 and there is in January and this is the first. So I'm just selecting the date as in 1st January 2023. So this is not mandatory, this is also not mandatory, so I'm just giving the mandatory columns only. So here the name, so this name is nothing but the department name, so you can give any department name. Suppose I'm just giving the department name as a demo department 1. Okay, then title, it is also not mandatory. Then set code, so set code, so if you are not sure what will be the set code or what will be the value, so what you can just do, it is the mandatory field, so just double click this tab. So what it will do, it will just open one more pop-up, so it will give you this type of some script error. So you can just click on yes, so it will pop up this respective set code. So here give the set code from this list. So I'm just giving here the common and I'm just clicking on search. So here is a common set. So I'm just clicking on OK over here. So this is the OK button. Now there is a next column is a status. So you have to select the status is an active or inactive. So there is just a drop down. You can select from this one. So I'm just selecting as an active. So we can check the other columns. So if there is any other mandatory field, so we will just fill that one. Okay, so there is a no mandatory field. What I will do, I will just do copy of this respective entire rows. So I'm just going to the right side until this respective value. I'm just copying this field. I'm coming here and I'm just pasting the same thing. Okay, we are getting the message that this sheet is protected, so we have to remove the protection. So how we can remove that? Go to reviews and here is an unprotected sheet, so just click on this one, so it will remove the protection. Then after, just copy it once more time and just paste it. Okay, so I had pasted it one row, then I pasted one more row and I will paste one more row. So actually I had inserted the 4 rows here. So you can see there is a same department name. So what I will do, I will just change this department name to make it different. So I'm just making department 1, 2, 3 and 4 like this only. And we had not inserted this key column, so you can see that we had not inserted this one, but which is automatically come when we had inserted or when we had copy pasted till this respective column. Okay, so now this respective field is done. Now what you have to do, just save this respective sheet first. Okay, so you can save from here, click on this icon, or you can just press Ctrl S from your keyboard. Now there is one more tab, that is the spreadsheet data loader. So here there is an option to import file. So some people will think that if you are clicking on this import file, it will directly import this data into the Oracle Fusion instance, but that is not the scene over here. So what we have to do, here we are having the option that is in a more, and here is an option that is an upload. So if you click on this upload option, so it will start some process. Okay, so this is uploading process start. So once this process starts, you will get this pop-up. So click whatever the selected one or default one and just click on OK button. So once you click on OK, it will again start processing and it will try to upload. If the data is getting uploaded successfully, so you will get this pop-up. Okay, so what is the pop-up? The request to import and load the spreadsheet data was successful. Okay, so just click on OK. So means our data is loaded successfully. So now how we can check this process? So go to the front-end application. So here is the front-end application. I'm just going to the home screen. Then here is an my client groups. So just click on my client groups and here is a data exchange. So we are seeing the HCM spreadsheet data loader. So here I'm just going down and here I'm just clicking recent spreadsheet loads. So this is the load. So you can see that this is my process, okay, which we had just submitted, and the load successful is 0%, because why? It is in progress status. Okay, so if you refresh over here and if it is uncompleted, so it will just complete that one, but here is the status is again load in progress. So one more thing you can do, you can just go back, and if you want to see the detailed status, just go to this import and load data. So here you can see that this process is going on. So the same process, the import is done till now and the load is in progress. So you can see the status is also in progress. I'm just clicking on refresh one more time. So here you can see there are the 4 objects, okay, and the 4 lines, and the import success also it is an 100%. But now we need this load success as an 100%. Then only we can say that the load is completed successfully. So I'm just refreshing again. It will take 1 or 2 minutes of time based upon your data size. So now you can see that the load is successful, so which is also got completed, and here also we got an 100%. Okay, so now we can just check that from the spreadsheet tab as well. So I'm going back only, and I'm just scrolling down, and here is a recent spreadsheet loads. So we can see that previously it was in an in progress status, and the load success is on 0. Now load success is in 100%. So we can see that it is successful. So if you refresh, if there is any new process, so it will come over there. If you want to see more details, click on this drop down and you can get the more detail as well. So we are having the 4 object, and we are having the 4 rows. The objects is nothing but the rows, and we are having when we had uploaded the data and all the things. Okay, so by this way we can get more details. Now we have to validate the data, it is inserted properly or not. So what I will do, I will just go to my home screen. So this is the home screen button, and then again we have to go to manage department. So I'm just clicking over here, and I'm going to the setup and maintenance. So here is a task icon, so I'm just clicking on this task, and here is a search button, so I'm just clicking on this search button. So we will come over here, and here we have to write the manage departments. So I'm just writing DP, and I'm clicking on search. So you can see I'm getting this manage department. So just click on this manage departments. Now here is a name. So from the Excel sheet you can just copy the name. So what name we had given? So here we had given demo department 1, 2, 3 and 4. So I'm just copying this one, going on to my Oracle Fusion screen, and I'm just pasting it here, and I'm just removing this one, and I will click on search. So you can see that all the respective department 1, 2, 3 and 4 are coming. So it will search like as in like clause over there. So that's why all are coming. Okay, so now you can see all the respective departments are imported properly. If I want to open any one of them, so I can just click here, and it will open that respective department. So you can see that we had also inserted this effective start date is on 1/1/2023. So that is the same, and department set is also the common set. Okay, the other detail we had not filled, so it is not coming over there. If you want to edit this detail, so you can just click on this edit, and you can just edit whatever the objects you want to update. So this is all about the HCM data loader using the spreadsheet. So my next video will continue for the series of an HCM data loader. If you have any doubts, you can just write into the comment section of my video. Please like, share, subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Thank you.